right? We are going to learn A minor scale, like A minor scale on E string. This is our A from G. So this is our A, it's our root. So it goes finger 1, finger 3, finger 4, finger 1, finger 3, finger 4, finger 1, finger 3. So 2 octaves. This was the first, like in 1 octave. Now if we extend a little bit, like 2 octaves, it goes like, we slide from here.